How to gain trust for your online course. Hello subscribers, welcome to our channel. How to make students trust your online course is very important and basic step to do. Here in this video, we have told you what steps are important and what not. How to earn someone's trust, especially when it's about the career. So before any further ado, let's get into the video and know more with us. Social evidence. Get others to vouch for you. You can't vouch for yourself, however, if others step up and provide you for the top reference, you are most likely to win over beginners. In advertising and marketing, online courses, the various approaches that others can vouch for you are called social evidence. Social proof is available in a number of norms together with testimonials, case studies, word of mouth, referrals, or maybe graduated learners providing their participation for your course as their own form of credentials. Just remember, influencers, advertising, and marketing, it's an entire income method built on using social media to gain social evidence. Second, give it away. Offer a test period free is the most magical phrase in advertising and marketing. When it involves your course, you obviously don't need to provide it away free of charge forever. But what about a free trial period? And what about supplying your course free of charge to an early batch of beta testers? And what about a free consultation lesson or a lesson consultation? So, what do you think about it? Comment in the comment box and let us know. So sometimes the biggest project is simply to get someone to offer you a shot. Once they do attempt your course, they will recognize it precisely what they need and they'll determine to sign up in order to have more of it. At the worst, you can take benefit from feedback from about why your course is failing and they'll be much more likely to give that feedback in. Next, demonstrate expertise. Show that you realize what you are teaching about. There's a purpose. Content advertising and marketing have become the most successful online strategy of the final decade. It works, and the reason why it really works is due to the fact it doesn't take learners' trust for granted. Instead of withholding information and waiting students to keep their faith in you without having visible your expertise, content advertising offers students a feel on your coaching fashion, an underlying factor of view earlier than they sign on a route. In many approaches, it approximately is transparent. Many educators are concerned that if they have the percentage and of an excessive amount of up the front, students won't sign up for his or her course, or their competitors will steal all their top ideas. But the fact is that your attitude isn't always something others can easily replicate. There's usually a greater percentage, and doing so will only develop your brand, build recognition for quality course content, and that recognition will get you far. Trust isn't built in a day, and prevailing over your first satisfied students won't happen overnight. Next is give students responsibilities. Give your student responsibility and believe that they will complete the assignment you put for them. If you spot that a student hasn't finished them, assignments, don't jump in and do it for them. You do this, you're showing them which you can't believe and what they could at their own. Instead, be patient and provide them some time. Online teaching jobs are an excellent way to provide young students with responsibility. For older learner, being more concerned in projects like making plans and organizing a disciplined day or elegance part will show them that you trust them and do the essential work. Develop a classroom atmosphere of trust. Many young learners are naturally trusting. However, as they get older, they start to query adults' trustworthiness. This is why it's crucial that we expand classroom groups that are built on belief. In this manner, your classroom should be an area where every person is respected and obvious in their communication. Simply handing over great training can develop trust. Having a morning assembly in every other excellent manner to construct a trusting lecture room environment. This is a time while students can be open and sincere with their emotion without feeling judged by their peers. Next and the last, be tolerant. Be thoughtful of the negative reports which could have affected a student's potential to believe you. You may also come across students who haven't experienced trust of their own lives. If a scholar has found out that nobody to trust on any adults at home, they may don't have any purpose to accept as the true with an instructor at first. Be patient and make an effort while providing e-learning to get to realize your student before you disregard them as being incapable of trust. After all, you never realize what they may be going through at their home. So, how was the video, folks? Was it informative for you? And do you like it? So, if you like it, please share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel for further informations like this. Also, stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.